Okay class, today we are going to start on a new topic called Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, Pythagoras Theorem only works for a right angle triangle. That means one of the angle must be a right angle in the triangle, then you can use Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, now the side that is opposite the right angle will be the longest side, and there's a name to it. Is called the hypotenuse. Okay, now because it's too long to pronounce, we will short form the word to hypo. That means hypo is the longest side of the right angle triangle, and it is opposite the right angle. Okay, alright, now if you refer to your textbook, page 196, 197, it will explain to you what it means. Okay, I want all of you now to turn to page 199. Now, the Pythagoras Theorem is stated there. Now, I'm going to show you what it means. Okay? Now, I call this side of length A, of length B, and of length C. Now, we are able to see that the longest side is the length C. Okay? The longest side is the length C. Okay, so what does Pythagoras Theorem states? It says C square is equals to A square plus B square. Alright, now this hypo, the longer side, must be alone, and the two other sides on the other side of the equal sign. Okay, you can also write it this way, but you must ensure that the hypo here, which is the longer side, is alone before you proceed to use the Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, this is a very important fact. Alright, this is found on page 199. Okay, now I'm going on straight to example 1. Okay, example 1 on page 200. Can all of you turn to page 200? Now, page 200 says, example 1. Okay, find the length of the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. I'm going to draw the triangle. Now, first of all, the Pythagoras Theorem can be used to find any sides of the triangle, but of the three sides, you must be given two sides. Okay, so first of all, identify where's the hypo first. Now, this is the right angle, so therefore, the hypo is C. Now, just now I said that the hypo must be alone on one side. So I'm going to find out what is C. So C squared will be 5 squared plus 12 squared. Okay, that means C will be square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared. Alright, this one, if you key into your calculator, it should be a 13 cm. 13 cm. Alright, so this is how we find out the length of the unknown. Okay, take note, the hypo must be alone on one side. And for a square, want to get rid of the square, it becomes a square root over the other side. This is what we have done so far, and you've learned it in Sec 1 as well. Okay, now next, can you look at example 2, which is on page 201. The question says, calculate the length of the unknown side of the right angled triangle shown. Give your answer to 3 significant figures. Okay? I want all of you to look at the question first. Alright? Now, identify where is the hypo. Can you see that the hypo is here? Alright? Just now I said hypo must be alone on one side. So 3 squared must be b squared plus 2 squared. Alright? B squared stays here. So minus 2 squared. B will be square root of 3 squared minus 2 squared. Okay? Final answer must be given to 3 significant figures, which will be 2.24 cm. 2.24 cm according to your textbook. Okay? Alright, so this is basically how we use the Pythagoras theorem. First, to find the hypo, or you can use it to find any sides of the triangle, including the hypo, but you must identify and put the hypo at one side. That's all. Okay? Alright.